nakikita yung ibang areas. Bibigatan kasi. Okay, huwag kang matutumba. Tayo church. Thomas Sands Plaza. Yung may mga tindang Louis Vuitton, yung mga mamahaling bags and other items. And it's where join us to get it out. Notice that. Itong DFS, duty free. Duty free. Bad road. Duty free. TGIF. Hala. JP Superstore. There's Mesclados. It's only tomorrow. Local. May mga military men. Bigla kong na-miss ang mga anak ko. So my sons are in the military. Navy and they are in the Army Reserve. They're all on the mainland. Kahit panganay ko rin na sa mainland. Lahat sila. Iwawalay kami ng lugar. Yan ang tamis din. Nakakamiss ang anakis ko. You guys need to visit your mother, dearest. I hope you miss me as you guys, as your mother misses you guys. Hope you can be together soon and celebrate whatsoever. Any type of celebration. Oi, oi, oi. Okay, I have to go to the side. tayo sa Upper Tuman. What is that? Dos Amantes Plaza. Ay, mabigat. Nakakangawit ka na. Wendy's. Quality burger since 1969. Ay, bigat mo na. Kasama ko. Bigatan ako. There's Jollibee. Kita niyan? Jollibee. Oh my goodness gracious. Ito naman is Route 16. It's Army Drive. It's called Army Drive. Route 16. Ganyan ang ano. And this time, I'm going this way because may nangangailangan ng see that? It's Pinoy Express. Ba yan? Bakit ganun puno ang parking? Ay, nakakangawit. Yan na, I'm going there later. Dito makikita ang Benignan Restaurant, Filipino restaurant. Andun sa dulo ng ano na, that's where Benignan is. Anyway, ako yung magpa-park. Wala na yung ano. Dito, closest parking. Okay. Ito muna. Later. Hope you enjoyed yung ano, pasyal. Okay, next time again, mga kababayan. Have a good evening to you all. Bye for now.